Welcome to Batumi, Georgia, a city where timeless European elegance meets the charm of the Black Sea. That tall, golden statue you see, that's Medea. A legendary Colchian princess holding the golden fleece, a symbol of Georgia's connection to ancient mythology and Europe. In today's walk, we begin in the heart of the city, Piazza Square. Then make our way through a charming street toward Piazza Square, one of Batumi's most beloved gems. Here in Europe Square, history and architecture tell the story of Batumi's unique identity. The square itself is surrounded by pastel-colored buildings, blending neoclassical and modern European styles. On a warm afternoon like this, locals and visitors sit near the fountains, listen to street performers, and enjoy the soft breeze from the Black Sea just blocks away. Europe Square is more than just a beautiful public space. It's where Batumi breathes. You'll often hear a mix of languages, Georgian, Russian, Turkish, and English, proof of the city's international soul. Now, let's begin our walk toward Piazza Square, just a few minutes away. As we leave Europe Square, the energy shifts from open and grand to cozy and colorful. short walk between the squares is lined with cafes, art boutiques, and charming balconies overflowing with flowers. Take a moment to look around. The architecture is detailed and expressive with hints of Italian, French, and even Ottoman influence. And now, one of Batumi's most picturesque spots, Piazza Square. Inspired by Italian piazzas, this corner of the city is famous for its striking architecture, live music, and vibrant atmosphere. Welcome to Piazza Square, where every inch feels like a postcard. At the center stands the beautifully detailed clock tower. It's surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and boutique hotels, all designed in classic European style. The square comes alive. In the afternoon, it's a perfect spot to pause, have a coffee, and watch the rhythm of Batumi unfold around you. From the grandeur of York Square to the charm of Piazza Square, this short walk captures the spirit of Batumi. A city where East and West, old and new, all blend seamlessly. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful afternoon journey.